In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Asana projects using custom fields. Let's dive into the world of Asana, where managing projects becomes efficient and effective with templates. First, open Asana and decide on a project to convert into a template. You can either create a new one or use an existing project that you consistently revisit. Begin by adding sections to break down your tasks, and don't forget about subtasks and custom fields. These elements help in categorizing and expanding the organized structure of your project. For a more thorough setup, assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and identify any task dependencies that could affect timelines. Additionally, compile any resources like important files, useful links, or notes you frequently need. This ensures that all essential information is readily accessible within the project, making your setup comprehensive and ready to be repeatedly utilized. When you feel your project has reached the perfect setup state, it's time to save it as a template. Navigate to the project's drop-down menu located at the top right. Click on it and select the Save as Template option. Here, you're prompted to give your template a clear descriptive name that encapsulates its utility, such as marketing campaign template or onboarding checklist. This descriptive naming helps distinguish templates and communicate their purpose effectively. When finalizing, specify whether the template is for personal use or intended for organizational use, so your team can easily access it. Now let's talk about using these templates to kickstart new projects. In Asana, when you're ready to start a new project, click on the plus new project option. Rather than starting from scratch, opt for the use a template option. Select from your saved templates and in a matter of seconds, Asana will generate a project pre-filled with your thoughtfully crafted structure. This approach streamlines your initiation process, allowing you to dive straight into execution without being bogged down with initial setup tasks. You'll realize a significant time-saving advantage here. To make your templates even more powerful, consider automating with rules. This smart step includes assigning tasks based on criteria, like having a design task automatically assigned to a specific team member. Utilize priority labels to make sure tasks are organized by importance, and automate task movement to different sections upon completion. These rules ensure consistency and eliminate repetitive manual adjustments in every new project you undertake. By implementing these strategies, your Asana projects will become models of efficiency, enabling you to